Hello students, welcome to the Schematics class. Today I will make you understand about the difference between square and rectangle. If you consider these two figures, first figure have written square and rectangle, in the second figure only written rectangle. So I will make you understand the definition of square. Square has four-sided closed figure, all sides are equal, each angle is of 90 degree. In the given figure, there are four sides. All the sides are equal in length and each angle is of 90 degree. So it is a square. Now we will discuss about the rectangle. Rectangle has also four sides, but the opposite sides of rectangles are equal. If you consider the opposite sides AB and CD, these sides are opposites. AD and BC are the opposite sides, and the length of the opposite sides are equal. Each angle is of 90 degree. In the rectangle, also each angle is of 90 degree, same as square. So student, why I have written rectangle in the square? Why rectangle square is rectangle? Because the opposite sides of square are also equal. So we can say that all the squares are rectangles, but all the rectangles are not squares. In the rectangle, if you consider, the length of all the sides are not equal. So student, it is noted that all the squares are rectangles, but all the rectangles are not squares. If you have understood my lecture, so share it, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.